So, hi guys, welcome back to LDGaming. So, in today's video, we will have a special task today. So, my special task today is to benchmark my new PC, which I have no name yet for it. So, if you guys want to help me out, please comment down below on what we should name our PC. We will do a benchmark today on regarding how it will perform on day-to-day tasks, both on gaming, editing, and productivity. So regarding the specs, I will show it to you right after this conversation that we are having. And here are the parts. So as you guys can see, it's quite a mouthful since it's pretty plenty. But I'll keep it short and simple. So, without further ado, let's start! So, did you guys like that? So, now we will be heading to our benchmarks. So now we will be running Cinebench R15, and to see the scores of our Ryzen 7 2700. Yes guys, it's not the X, but I have overclocked it to 3.75 gigahertz. Last time I saw it peaked out at around 4.5. So now we will be running Cinebench. So we will do the CPU test first. And there we go. So it's really pretty fast, as you guys can see. And I don't know why my camera keeps refocusing. But we're almost done, as you guys can see. And let's see how we maxed out. Oh damn! As you guys can see, we reached 1560 for our Ryzen 7 2700 8-core processor. So how did we go? We reached 4.45 gigahertz on our boost, and we reached 120 watts on our package on our CPU. So as you guys can see, we are now running ADATA 64. So I almost forgot that we still have another test. It's ADATA 64. So as you guys can see, we are doing our CPU test. It's 100%. So it's running for a while now. So as you guys can see, it is not throttling at all. And also our temperatures, it's stable at around 70 degrees Celsius, even though that we are overclocking this bad boy. So as you guys can see, it's still peaked out at around I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's stable at 3.75 gigahertz base clock and 4.5 gigahertz boost clock. So there you go. So let's now officially head to the benchmarks. there you have it, guys. So as you guys can see, we are actually playing every game on max settings on 1080p and also on 60 frames at 4K resolution. So if you are definitely going to play into 1440p 1080p gaming, well, this GPU, the RTX2080, specifically the MSI Gaming X3U, is undoubtedly an overpowered GPU for your system. So I'll be shifting soon into a 4K, 2K or 4K resolution monitor. So as of now, I'm using a 1080p monitor from Samsung. So with that said, it's pretty much killing every game for now. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you'll find this video very informative. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.